This is the unboxing for the VF2000 Neo. You should have just received it in the mail. Opening it up, your VF2000 Neo packaging will come with 2 charging cords, 2 charging ports, 2 lens adapters, and a microfiber cloth for cleaning the VF2000 lenses. The VF2000 will come with 2 clickers, one as your primary clicker and one as your backup clicker. These can be charged using the charging ports and cords provided. Your package will also have 1 tablet controller, which will be used to conduct exams. Your package will have 1 VF2000 headset unit. The power button will be located at the top, next to the charging port.